Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. This is your Tazib sir, and today, my dear students, we are going to learn chapter number 7 in further exercise number 7b. In last lecture, I was taught you exercise number 7a. So now, today we are going to learn exercise number 7b. 7a we have it done, and now further we are going to learn exercise number 7b. So let's check today's code, and then after we move on further. So my dear students, now here in this session, let's check today's quote. So today's quote is a good quote. Today is your opportunity to build the tomorrow you want. Today is your opportunity to build the tomorrow you want. I hope you all know what is the meaning of this quote. It means, now again I repeat, today is your opportunity to build the tomorrow you want. Okay, and now my dear students, let's check here today what we are going to learn. So keep it in mind, this all point. Okay, so students, one request to you, you take your book, pen and whatever materials we are using in daily lecture. So my dear students, today we are going to learn chapter number 7, fractions. Exercise number 7b, question number 1. Okay, already we started in last few 2 to 3 lecture chapter number 7, fraction, and in last lecture exercise number 7a we have it done. So now we are move on for the exercise number 7b, question number 1. Identify this as like and unlike fractions. What, my dear students? Identify this as like and unlike fraction. Okay, it's the question number 1. We have to only mention there is a like fraction or unlike fraction, nothing else, my dear students. And then after a second topic, means second question is what? Now fill up the box using a greater than, less than or equal to. I hope you all know this meaning of this all sign. Greater than, less than or equal to means is equal to. So my dear students, again I repeat here, today we are going to learn chapter number 7, fraction, exercise number 7b, question number 1. Identify this as like and unlike fractions. Now fill up the box using a greater than, less than or equal to. Got my point, my dear students? So what to do, dear students? Now here we are starting the chapter number 7, means exercise number 7b, question number 1. Identify this like and unlike fraction. Got my point, my dear students? Okay, so question number 1 is identify. We have to only identify it's a like fraction or unlike fraction. Now we are starting here the like fraction or unlike fraction. Okay, I hope you all know what is a definition of like fraction and unlike fraction. Okay, so my dear students, I am repeat here the definition of like fraction and unlike fraction. Then after we move our question. Okay, my dear students, so let's check here the like or unlike fraction. Okay, so now like fraction is what, my dear students? Like fraction means in fraction with the same denominators are called a like fraction. Okay, and in fraction we have a different denominator, it's called a unlike fraction. What, my dear students? What is the meaning what I am told you? Okay, it means what, my dear students? Fraction have a same denominator, it's called a like fraction, and fraction have a different denominator, it's called a unlike fraction. Got my point, my dear students? Okay, I hope you all are understood. Now we are move on the identify like and unlike fraction. Keep it in mind these both words, like or unlike fraction. Okay, like fraction means what? I'll give you here the short key how to remember this all fraction, like and unlike fraction. Okay, so short key is what, my dear students? Short key is same denominator, means down digit are same, it's called a like. Denominators is same, it's called a like fraction, and denominators are different, it's called a unlike fraction. Got my point, my dear students? Okay, so now here state whether the following pairs of the fractions are like or unlike. What, my dear students, we have to identify here, this fraction is like fraction or unlike fraction. Okay, so now question number first is what? 7 by 2 means 7 upon 2 comma 4 upon 9. So upside digit, what we call the upside digit? We called upside digit it a numerator, and downside digit it's a denominator. So what we are seeing here, only we are check the denominators. If denominators are same, it's like fraction. If denominators are different, so it's unlike fractions. Okay, so in question number 1, see the denominators 2 and 9, both are same digit, my dear students. Both are not same digits. Okay, 2 and 9 both are different digits. That's why is a like or unlike fraction. So we have to write here the unlike fraction. Understood, my dear students? That's why we are writing here unlike fraction. Now we move on further, question number 2. So question number 2 is what? 7 divided by 3 comma 8 divided by 5. So what we are checking here, only we are checking here the denominators, not the numerators. So 3 and 5 both numerators are different. Okay, both digits are different. 3 and 5 both are different. That's why it's not a same. If same digit both are, so that's why we are writing like, but here are different. So difference denominator, it's called a unlike fraction. So that's why we are mentioned here unlike fraction. Got my point, my dear students? Now here question number 3. So let's check here the question number 3. Question number 3 is 1 upon 5 comma 3 upon 4. 1 upon means 1 divide 1 by 5. Okay, 1 upon 5 comma 3 upon 4. So now here not we are checking numerators, here we are going to check denominators. What we are checking here only we are checking the denominators. So denominators are different, 5 and 4 both are different, both are not same. So that's why what? That's why unlike fraction. Okay, my dear students, only we are checking this digit, see this and this, it's called a different denominators. That's why we are writing here a unlike fraction. Now we move on, my dear students, 4 upon 6 and 7 upon 6. So what we are checking here, numerator or denominator? Denominators. Here we are checking denominators. Okay, my dear students. So denominator, see this and this, both are same or not? Yes, exactly, both are same. That's why is what? That's why is a what? Same denominator. So like fraction, it's called a like fraction. Understood, my dear students? I hope you all are understood betterly. So in question number 4, both denominator are same. That's why what we call? That's why we call a like fraction. Understood, my dear students? Okay. Now we move on further the question number 5. So let's check here the, my dear students, question number 5. 2 upon 9 and 10 upon 9. So let's check here the denominator of question number 5. So let's check here the denominator of 5. See, here is 9 and see, here is this 9. So that's why both answer is means both is correct, means same. Not correct means as a same number. 9 and 9 both are same. So that's why what we have mentioned there. So students, that's why both digit are same. Okay, 9 and 9 both are same digit. Okay, so that's why what we identify there, identify as a like. Okay, like fraction. Now question number 6. 6 upon 7 and 5 upon 7. So 6 upon 7 comma 5 upon 7, it's called a like fraction. Understood, my dear students? Now we move on further. What here? Question number B means write whether following set of the fractions are like or unlike. Means on here second B question means we have to find what? Unlike fraction or like fraction. Okay, means like fraction or unlike fraction we have to write only. So now here let's check. Okay, 6 upon 9 comma 3 upon 5 comma 1 upon 7. So what to do? Here only we check, identify what is like or unlike fraction. Understood, my dear students? Question number 1 is 1 upon 9, 3 upon 6 upon 9, 3 upon 5, 1 upon 7. Okay, 6 upon 9, 3 upon 5, 1 upon 7. So in this question we have only checked the denominators. What to do, my dear students? In this question only we have to check the denominators. It means what? We have to check only the down digit. If the down digit are same, so what we are called? It's a like fraction. But here is same. See, 9, 5, 7. 3 all digit are same. No, so that's why what we are called? That's why we are called unlike fraction. Got my points, my dear students? That's why we are called unlike fraction. Understood, my dear students? Now further the question number 2. So let's check the question number 2. 2 upon 3, 1 upon 3, 4 upon 3. Okay, 2 upon 3, 1 upon 3, 4 upon 3. So now here a question number, in question number 2 only we are checking what? Only we are checking here the denominators. Denominator means what, my dear students? Denominator means we have to check the down digit. Okay, we have to only check the down digit. 2 upon 3, 1 upon 3 and 4 upon 3. So see here, this all denominators 3, 3, 3. These all are same. So what to do, my dear students? Same denominators are called like fractions. Understood? Same denominators are called like fraction. Understood, my dear students? Now our question number 3. So let's check here the question number 3, my dear students. Okay, let's check here the question number 3. 8 upon 3, 6 upon 4, 7 upon 2. So now here numerator is upside and denominator is downside. So my dear students, here only we are going to check unlike fraction. Only we are checking here the denominators. See the denominators 3, 4 and 2. What all students? 3, 4 and 2. It are not same. 3, 4 and 2 are not same denominator. That's why what we are writing? That's why we are writing unlike fraction. Because of what is the definition of unlike fractions? Denominators are different. It's called unlike fractions. Okay, and what is the definition of like fractions? Denominators are the same. It's called a like fraction. Understood, my dear students? So students, now we move on the question number 4. What to do, my dear students? Now we move on the question number 4. So let's check the question number 4, my dear students. 5 upon 12, 1 upon 12 and again 3 upon 12. What to do, my dear students? 5 upon 12, 1 upon 12, 3 upon 12. So my dear students, we are checking here the numerators. Yes or no? No, here we are not check the numerator. Here we are check the denominators. Denominator means what, my dear students? Denominator means down digit. What, my dear students? Denominator, it's a down digit. Okay, so now again we are check and speak 5 upon 12, 1 upon 12 and 3 upon 12. So 5 upon 12, 1 upon 12 and 3 upon 12. It means a like fraction. What, my dear students? Like fraction. See here, these all denominators are same. See, 1, 2 and 3 all denominators are same. Okay, my dear students, and then after question number 5. That's why what we are writing, but here like fraction. Here we are writing the like fraction. Understood, my dear students? Okay, again I repeat question number 4. 5 upon 12, 1 upon 12, 3 upon 12. Okay, so my dear students, that's why what? All denominators are same. That's why we are writing, that's why we are mentioning there are like fractions. Okay, now we move on the question number 5. Okay, now we move on the question number 5, my dear students. So in question number 5, 4 upon 11, 1 upon 11 and 8 upon 11. What? So here only we check the denominators. What we are checking here? Denominators. Okay. So let's check here the denominators. See this all denominators. In first 11, second 11 and third is also 11. So what? Same. It's all are same, my dear students. So that's why answer is what? Same digit, same denominator. It's called a like fraction. What, my dear students? It's called a like fraction. So 4 upon 11, 1 upon 11 and 8 upon 11, my dear students. Okay. So it's called a like fraction. We are mentioning what we are mentioning here. Here we are mentioning what, my dear students? Here we are mention a like fraction because of denominators are same. That's why it's a like fraction. Understood, my dear students? Now question number 6. So let's check here the question number 6, dear students. 2 upon 5, 5 upon 2, 9 upon 4, 2 upon 5, 5 upon 2, 9 upon 4. So now let's check here one by one all denominators. 2 upon 5, 5 upon 2 and 9 upon 4, my dear students. Okay. So what to do? Dear students? Okay. So denominators are different. See, these all denominators are different. 5, 2 and 4. So that's why what we are mentioned unlike fraction. Denominator are different. So it's called a what, my dear students? Difference denominator. It's called a what? Difference denominator. It's called a unlike fraction. Got my point, my dear students? Okay. Now we move on to the next question. Identify what? Identify the set of the like fractions from the following. Means we have to choose the correct option. You have it in front of you. You have a 4 option. Okay. So first of all, you have to check in which options all denominators are correct. Correct means same digit. Okay. And which option is correct? So you have to choose this option. Okay, dear students. So now identify the set of the like fractions from the following. So now let's check here. 6 upon 5, option number A, 6 upon 5, 7 upon 4, 9 upon 2. Okay. So see these denominators 5, 4 and 2. It's the same denominator. What we are finding here? Like fraction. So how I made a like fraction? Same denominator, same number. Okay. So here is not the same. So that's why what we are mentioning here? Wrong option. Now let's check the second option. Okay. Now let's check a second option, my dear students. The second option is what? 1 upon 4, 3 upon 7, 4 upon 5. 1 upon 4, 3 upon 7 and 4 upon 5. Okay. So now here, my dear students, let's check here the all denominators. So denominator is same or not? No, denominator is not same, students. Okay. So that's why this option is also incorrect. Okay. Now we move on the question number C. So let's check here the question number, means option number C. 4 upon 9, 7 upon 9, 3 upon 9. So here what we are checking here? Here we are checking the denominators. So see 9, 9 and 9. All digits are same. What, my dear students? All digits are same. So that's why what to do? That's why it's the correct answer. Okay, that's why it's the correct option. It's the exact C. Option number C is the example of the like fraction. Got my point, my dear students? Is the example of correct. What is the example of correct of the like fraction? Got my point, dear students? Okay. So dear students, Okay, option is C. Option is correct for a like fraction. Now we further question which of the given pair of the fractions are unlike. So means in this question we have to find the what? We have to finding here unlike fraction. Okay, unlike fraction is what happening. Okay, unlike fraction is what? In unlike fractions denominators are what? Difference, not a same. A same is example of like fraction and difference are example of unlike fraction. So now let's check here. In this question we are checking by the, so here we are checking by opposite sides. Okay, these sides, right sides, not a left sides. 1 upon 2 means option D. Okay, 1 upon 2, 3 upon 2. So you see the denominators are same. So it's the example of like fraction. Okay, it's the example of like fraction. Got my point, my dear students? Now question number 6. That's why this option D is incorrect. Now 4 upon 7, 5 upon 7. Okay, so let's check is the denominator 7, 7. So it's both are the same number, 7 or 7. So both example, this both example of what? Is this both example of what? Incorrect. Means both example of like fraction. Means both digit are same. So that's why is what happening, my dear students. That's why is wrong option. Okay, students. So now option C is also incorrect. Okay, option C is what, dear students? Option C is incorrect. Now option B, 1 upon 6, 3 upon 6. So see here both denominators same or difference? Difference. Both denominator is different. Okay, both denominator is different, not a different, same. Okay, so what to do, dear students? Like fraction is example of like fraction. So D is wrong, C is wrong, B is wrong. Now let's check the A option. Is only one left, but is correct. But we have to check anyhow. Mandatory we have to check. 5 upon 8 and 6 upon 4. 4 and 8 both are different. Both are a different digits. So that's why is what? Unlike fraction. Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Okay, here this both choose the correct option. We have to check only. Okay, option is what? We have to correct. Okay, we have to only check. But in this session we are only learn both question. What we are checking? Only both question. With both question, dear students, with both question, dear students, only both questions. Okay, only both questions of like, unlike fraction. Identify the like and unlike fraction. Okay, dear students. Okay, now we move on further. Next topic, comparing fraction greater than, less than or equal to. What, my dear students? Greater than, equal to, or less than, greater than or equal to. Okay, greater than, less than or equal to, my dear students. So that's why we are do this question. So now here we are starting the question. Compare each pair of the fractions using the numbered lines or write the symbols greater than, less than or equal to. Greater than, it is okay, greater number, less than or equal to. Okay, so we are checking here the greater than, less than or equal to, my dear students. Now here the question number 1 is what? 0, 1 upon 6, 2 upon 6, 3 upon 6, 4 upon 6, 5 upon 6 and 1. Okay, so here only we have which answer is correct, 2 upon 6 and 4 upon 6. So which digit is the correct? See, it's correct. Okay, and here B, 5 upon 6 and 3 upon 6. So whenever his mouth is open of this greater than or less than, it is a large digit. Okay, and there's a small part, means tail parts, whenever whatever side, it's called a small digit, less number. Okay, so see here 3 is down and 5 is more. Here is same, 1 upon 6, small and 3 upon 6 is large. 4 upon 6 is equal to 4 upon 6. Okay, it is the correct example. All options are correct. Understood, my dear students? All options are correct. So that time what to do, dear my dear students? That time what to do, dear students? Okay, I hope you all are understood. We have to only check the answer. Now question number 2. 5 upon 9, 7 upon 9, 1. 11 upon 9, 13 upon 9 and 15 upon 9. 10 upon 9. Okay, and 7 upon 9. So 10 is also big. We have to check the both answer. Okay, got my points, dear all students? Now here for the 8 upon 9 and 11 upon 9, it's correct option C. 6 upon 9 and 15 upon 9. Okay, so it's the large, greater than. Okay, and here is less than. See, understood, my dear students? I hope you all are understood betterly. Okay, now you have to write this all in your rough book. Then and then after I am telling you, that time you have to write in your fair book. Understood, dear students? Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you, my dear students, for listening my lecture. Okay, thank you all students.